want to belong. We want to be parts of groups. We want to be in relationships. We want to be parts of something that's happening. And at the same time, we want to be our own individuals. So there's a paradox here, because belonging to something implies giving up your individuality. But actually, if we belong to something that really values us, that really welcomes our contribution and actually enhances our contribution, that means that we can become more the individuals that we're capable of being. So there has to be a balance here. On the one hand, we're giving of ourselves, and on the other hand, the organization, the community, needs to nourish us, needs to make us feel more capable of being the individuals that we're capable of being. Remember times when you felt completely at home in a relationship, or you felt really a part of a group or an organization. How did you feel? What helped you to feel a part of that group or organization? What helped you to feel at home in that relationship? Now, remember a time when you didn't feel at home in a relationship, when you didn't feel part of a group or part of an organization. How did that feel? What makes the difference? What is it that helps you to feel at home in relationships, helps you to feel parts of a group or an organization? What helps you? What could you do to help others feel at home in relationships or feel part of a group or an organization? Now, individuality and belonging. Remember a time when you've emphasized your own individuality at the cost of belonging, or somebody else's individuality at the cost of their belonging. What was the result? How did you feel? Or how did they feel? Now remember a time when you emphasized your belonging at the cost of your individuality, or somebody else's belonging at the cost of their individuality. How did you feel? Or how did they feel? What was the result? What do you learn from this about the balance between belonging, being part of something, and individuality, being your own individual? Find some examples, remember some examples of a positive synergy of belonging with individuality. How do you feel when that happens? What helps it to happen? What can you do in future to help it happen more?